Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today we're going to dive into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically those that use the word on. Let's get started. First, let's quickly remind ourselves what phrasal verbs are. Phrasal verbs are combinations of verbs with particles like prepositions or adverbs that create a meaning different from the original verb alone. All right? They're super common in English and very important to learn. Today we'll look at 6 phrasal verbs with on. We'll go through each one, explain its meaning, and give you some examples. Ready? Let's go. Number 1, drag on. This phrasal verb means to continue for too long, usually longer than expected or desired. For example, the lecture dragged on until late afternoon. Have you ever been in a class that felt like it would never end? That's exactly what drag on means. Number 2, carry on. This means to continue with an activity for a period of time. For instance, she carried on knitting despite the noise. It simply means to keep doing what you were doing. So, if you love a hobby, just carry on with it. Number 3, keep on. This means to repeat something many times, often in an annoying way. For example, he keeps on asking the same question. All right? If someone does something repeatedly that bothers you, you can say they keep on doing it. Number 4, get on with. This phrasal verb means to continue doing something often after an interruption. For example, after the break, we got on with our project. It's what you say when you want someone to focus and continue working. Number 5, stay on. This means to continue enjoying yourself studying or working in a place, often after others have left. For instance, the concert was so good, we stayed on until the end. Okay, all right. It's used when you decide to remain somewhere longer than planned. And finally, number 6, drive on. This simply means to continue driving. An example would be, despite the heavy rain, we decided to drive on. It's often used when you're on a journey and decide to keep moving forward while driving. All right, let's do a quick recap of the phrasal verbs with on we've learned today. Drag on means to continue for too long. Carry on, continue with an activity. Keep on, repeat something many times. Get on with means continue doing something. All right, and the next one, stay on, means remain in a place longer. And last but not least, drive on, which means continue driving. I hope you found these explanations and examples helpful. Phrasal verbs can be tricky, all right, but with practice, you'll get the hang of them, all right? And thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Amin Teaches English, for more English learning tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Take care of yourself, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.